Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Inspire 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this smartband. First, we need to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by pressing the touch sensitive buttons on the sides of the device, like this. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down on the screen to scroll through the menu. Scroll through the menu until you find the settings icon and then tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called vibration or vibrations, and here we can change the vibration intensity level by tapping on this option. So if you tap on vibrations, you can change it and you can toggle between normal and strong. Set it to the level you want, and then you can press the touch sensitive buttons on the sides to go back to watch face, and that's how you change the vibration intensity levels on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.